Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be showing you how to make a wireless speaker. So first, here's what you will need. So this is a PAM8403 volume component, which will be used to control the speaker and the Bluetooth inputs. This is just a normal speaker that you can find from any toy. And this is a Bluetooth audio device. So basically what this does is you can connect it with your phone, and then there's a headphone jack in it which you can plug your headphones into. So for this I have a adapter like this which has a headphone jack on both ends. So here is the other side of it, which I have soldered some wires onto and which will be used in the circuit. So now I'll be showing you how to make the circuit. So the first step is connecting the power cables. So over here on this component you can see these two middle ones are the power ones. So I'm just going to connect these male to female wires onto it. And the input required for this is 5 volts. So I'll connect this to an Arduino which outputs 5 volts, but you can connect it to any battery or anything that is 5 volts. So the next step is to connect the speaker. So on this component you can see that there are four speaker pins over here, plus minus for 2, and that is because it can be used to control a right speaker as well as a left speaker. But over here I will be only using one speaker, so you can connect it into the plus minus for any one of them. So here is the speaker. I'm going to connect it. So now I have connected the speaker and the power. So now I'll be connecting the Bluetooth audio device. So on the jack you can see that there are 3 places and each one of them has a different one. So the one at the bottom is ground. So I'm going to connect that with the ground of this component, which is in the middle over here. And now I'm going to connect the remaining 2 in the L and B slots. And the circuit is finished. Now I'll be showing you a demonstration. Alright, so now that the circuit is connected and I've connected the power cables over here with an Arduino, it doesn't really matter what it is, it just needs to be 5 volts. I'm just using an Arduino because that's the only output I could find. So now I'm going to pair my phone with Bluetooth. This one over here, it's connecting. It's connected. Now I'm going to play this music. And as you can see, the quality is not really good, but the volume is fine. Play on speaker. And you can also adjust the volume with this potentiometer that is on this component.